Dear Dave, for decades, Road and Track magazine has been America's most Eurocentric car magazine, favoring sports car and Formula One racing over the homegrown pleasures of muscle cars and hot rods. We've loosened up considerably since the early years, and in our most current iteration, take a broader view of automotive enthusiasm. Each of our issues is now centered around a theme. The issue theme of our current edition is custom.
The first time I ever painted flames, I was very young, like 10 or something, on my dad's demolition derby car. And they were done with like a house painting brush and latex paint, and they were absolutely horrible.
In the late 50s, legendary pinstriper Von Dutch painted a Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing candy bronze with white flames. It was seen as sacrilege, surely to a large number of Road and Track readers of the time.
Well, Von Dutch was probably the most talented asshole to ever live. He originated modern pinstriping, where it no longer just went down a spoke or across a line. You know, he incorporated design into that, hidden designs within that. Some of the things that he did have lasted, 60, 70 years now. On some of the most famous cars, rods and customs in history.
The thing that appeals to us about this footnote in automotive history is the collision of worlds that it represents. It is in fact the world of old school Road and Track readers and the barbarians of the custom scene. It's the custom scene, both of that period and currently, that we are now celebrating with this issue.
There's a process of doing flames when you're doing traditional flames. These are not in any way traditional, and they're sort of senseless in a way. Flames generally are made to create the illusion of motion. In this application, they're made to create the illusion of action, and that's why they're going every way instead of just that way.
A McLaren 765 LT is the rough modern equivalent of the old Gullwing. It's prohibitively expensive, outlandish looking, and technologically advanced. And we would like to recapture some of the juxtaposition of high-end, high-dollar, sophisticated sports cars and the more expressive and perhaps even transgressive world of the customizer or artist. We're not suggesting a bronze paint job with white flames. We offer that example as a thought generator and scene setter.
Good.
The work should be tethered to the automotive world, but it needn't be literal. Sincerely, Daniel, Executive Editor, Road and Track Magazine.
That was what I was given to go by. Looking back, I probably should have read them before I started.